Have you taught your kids on how to invest? Well, I'm Michael Newsom, and I'm going to actually show you exactly how to teach your kids on how to invest the correct way. First thing you have to do is automatically start thinking positive. That's one thing that you have to do. Second thing is your parents, all right? Speak to your parents about new things. It might be some things that you're interested in and want to do, all right? Maybe you all can do it together. One of the biggest things is making sure that you're on the right path to success. What kind of goals that you have? If you don't have any goals, you have to set some, okay? Because if not, you're gonna be sitting still. And you don't wanna do that. You wanna keep on striving. Now, a lot of people is afraid that they may mess up. It's totally fine. Everybody messes up, okay? Now, even I messes up, nobody's perfect. But one thing that you can do, just like if you're playing sports, you do have to train. Train and train yourself until you start getting training and you're gonna become better at it, all right? You wanna make sure you get the proper tools, the proper mentors, the proper course, and proper people around you to achieve those goals, all right? Thank you very much for tuning in with me. My name is Michael Newsom with Need Apple Wealth, and stay tuned for the next episode.